sige, mamuntag. Mga best.
Mga bye.
We're back in Cebu. Salamat. Yeah, buddy. So, we're here at our beloved home.
Down South Hostel.
Down South Hostel. Wala kami home, but we always check in here. Suki man. Our buddy Borch owns this place, so we're hanging out with him for a few days. If you're in Cebu, come check it out. It's limpio, as you can see.
What's limpio?
Clean.
Oh. Yes, it's really great.
Yes, very nice.
I like paintings.
Today we are going on a field trip, aka road trip, because we rented a car.
Because he can't drive a scooter because he is broken.
Yes, my arm is still broken, aka my wrist.
And I can't drive a scooter.
All right, let's get going. Let's go pick up our car.
Tara!
So niya na kami dire sa Metrocars Transport Services. Kung ba mga gwapo dire? O gwapa? So kung gusto ninyo mag-abang og kotse dire sa Cebu, mani ko man dire do lang ni sa airport, di ba? Sa Pusok, Lapu-Lapu. Yan. Kabalo siya magbudot, so tinadyo siya kabalo pero Bisaya ni siya, so sagrado kabalo siya. So karon mo kuan lang kami, biyahe na kay layo ang biyahe, daan bantayan or di ko sagrado, basta biyahe ta. Okay, maayong Pasko sa inyo tanan. Merry Christmas.
Pasko!
So September 1st na karon. So sugo na ang Christmas. Syempre, pila ka bulan ang Christmas gani? 3-4 months diri sa Pilipinas.
4 months.
4 months. Mas lingaw diri sa Pilipinas na. Sige, so gikan mi sa Gisano. We bought some
hats,
Christmas hats and some candy.
Yeah, and then stocking.
Yes, and the plan for later is we're gonna find a Filipino family or some families, and we're gonna hand out candy and some glow sticks.
Yeah.
Because my mom, aka Margarita, she bought some glow sticks to hand out to the kids. So mo na siyang plano karon, padulong na kami sa Daan Bantayan. I think that's where we will sleep tonight. Wala pa kami plano, sorry lang. Bugat iyang kamot kay bugat ang camera. So we gotta make this quick, and we'll see you over there. Bye.
Bye!
Alright, mamuntag sa inyo tanan. It's another day here. There is a Daan Bantayan. Karong adlaw, we're going to Malapascua. Yes, we're so close, so we thought we might as well go. Para dili sayang ba. So we're gonna have to extend our stay here in Bougainvillea. Kay nidot man diri. If you're in Daan Bantayan, we recommend coming here because it's nice.
Good location.
Yes, just go to Jollibee, and it's right next to it. Very nice pool.
Yes, nice pool.
Nice rooms, clean man. Kay 1 year pa lang ni.
Yeah.
Pago lang.
Good service. Nice people.
Oh, my arm's heavy.
Oh.
Alright. Okay, so we're gonna take our car to the port, meet the tourism office. Shilat. Shout out Shilat. Shalat. Yes.
Yes.
We ate with them last night. Butan kayo.
Yeah.
And yeah, we're gonna go chill on the beach because it's been way too long. So,
So long.
tara.
Tara.
Oh. Patay ni siya.
Oo, patay.
Caloy ba?
Hoy!
Hoy! Buhay di ay!
Got me looking all rough, got me losing my toughness. Break the spell, let me tell you. Every single night it's a loose.
Sige, so karon padulong na kami sa Treasure Cove, di ba? Treasure Cove, dito kami makaon. Kami pagkaon dito. Oh, lamig daw. Sige. So, astig man diri sa Malapascua, murag kuan ba? Small island life. Very nice.
Yes or no, high or low, whatever they do, we can do it.
Okay, niamo na kami diri sa Treasure
Cove
Resort. So, makaon kami diri red Thai curry, fish and chips.
Fish and chips.
Fish. Food that we've been craving for a while. Nasi bay. Musta bay?
Ay, okay ra. Kamo.
Yung sumbag. Okay ra, gwapo yapon.
Gwapo gyapon.
Sige. So we'll explain a little more about this resort later. Maybe throw up the drone, we'll see. Pero karon mukhaon kami kay murag lami ni siya. So, kaon ta.
Facts by Ma'am Joey. So we finished eating and we're still at Thresher Cove Dive Resort, which is the largest dive resort on, well, it's the largest resort on Malapascua Island. And if you aren't certified diver, you can get your certification here. Because the only way to see the famous thresher sharks is to dive at least 30 meters, which is an advanced diving course. So we can't see the thresher sharks because I can't even swim 3 meters. But one day. Anyway, Malapascua. You could do other things other than diving, like snorkeling. There's like turtles and black tip sharks, which are reef sharks, I think. Tell me if I'm wrong. Sea snakes. I hope I don't see any. And fine white sand.
So, finally, nakoy drone. So, ipalupa na to ang drone. Unta, dili siya madiskrasya. Kay di malas ko sa Miyagi, dito sa Banawi. Yeah, buddy. And then, after the drone, snorkel kami. And then, maybe muli. Kay day trip lang kami. Gikan sa Daan Bantayan. Alright, so, let's do it.
You!
Got me looking all rough, got me losing my toughness. Break the spell, let me tell you. Every single night it's a lucid light. He's a bit like James Dean's silky hair. If this is a dream, wake me. Winter, summer, we got time. Lucid light. Yes or no, high or low. Whatever they do, we can do it better. Blinding smiles and on point style. They can
Sige, so kauban ako karon si Jared. So nakailami dito sa La Union the other month. Nag-surfing me, pero walay balon. So wala kami nag-surf. Wala i-surf niya. Sige, kauban po iyang iksoon.
Jermaine, hi.
Di bari, Oxy.
Sean.
Igagaw, no? Igagaw sila. So karon, ayo, kauban ako karon si Ma'am Joey. Siguro nakailam mo. Ako na uyab, nagwapa. So karon, mo ato kami sa barbecuehan, mukaon mi. Kay paborito na mo. And then unya, muhatag kami gifts sa mga bata. Dire, yon. Sige, tara. Sige. Humana kami mukaon, barbecue. Niya na kami dire. Usa ka balay, murag balay ni siya. Muhatag kami gifts sa mga bata. Tungod, September na karon, so Christmas na, Pasko, mayong Pasko! Sige. Kinsay gusto, candy! Bitaw sa kamot! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Hi, huh? Wow!
Sige, so akong mama nagpadala siya kuan glow sticks kay garan siya mohatag sa ila ha. Pagbalian ng glow stick, masiga ni siya.
Agoy! Espesyal na dyan.
Mateo! Christmas!
Cute in this arm.
Thank you for the candy.
Welcome.
Oh no, it's so hot. Make it quick. So, Siggy!
Oh, sige, what a party. Mayong Pasko. Usab. Successful ang giveaway namo. Shout out
It was.
sa ako mama na si Margarita sa mga glow sticks.
Thank you.
Shout out to Frutos because lami kayo.
And shout out to Jared for collecting 40 children
Yeah,
for that
what a legend. Among
Yes.
friend na si Jared.
yeah,
He's the one that found so many kids.
neighborhood children. He didn't
Alright.
just find them, they're
Yeah,
his
true.
family.
Basta Pilipino, dako pamilya. Sige, so muli na kami. Kapoy kayo. Lingaw man. Kay Christmas na karon, bisan sulod ka sa mall, bisan asa, you will hear Christmas music. So
Yes.
it's that time of the year, baby.
It is Burr months.
Alright.
Oh, side note, all of the trash from all the frutos came straight back to me, so that was great. Yes, I was very happy with
all the
my
kids brought it back.
Yeah,
So buutan. Alright.
very kind. Yes, so tomorrow we have to be up early, so we're going to sleep now.
Yes.
Okay, good night.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Alright.
okay.
Sige, so salamat sa pagtanaw. Go.
So, salamat sa pagtanaw og amping mo tanan. Oh my gosh.
Peace.